Hi, my beautiful souls. It's your girl, the Goddess Princess, here with the Light Seers Tarot, you guys. This is my first time opening this deck. When I first heard of it, I had to go look for it on Amazon, and they actually had it like a prepaid thing for Christmas, all that stuff. But now I only got it for $20, which is very cheap in my eyes. So yeah, it comes with 78 cards. I am so happy, you guys, to read with this. And I haven't cheated. Only thing I did was rip it open so it can be easy to open it up in the video. So let's just get into it. Yes, I'm excited. Come on. There we go. Yes, I am very excited, you guys. All right. Ooh. The Light Seer. So this is the book. We're gonna get into the book later because I know you guys just want to really like let's just open up the Seven of Cups. Okay, my wildest imagination is a tool that I can use to inform my future in a down-to-earth way, period. Yes, okay. I know you guys just want to really like see the cards, so we're gonna go through the cards, go through the look at the energy of the cards and things like that. So far the cards, they're pretty thin, like papery thin, but you can tell that it's going to be an easy shuffle with these cards. We got the full card, taking a leap of faith. The Magician, that is so beautiful, you guys. The High Priestess. The Empress. The nurturing, kind woman. You know how that goes with the Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. The Strength card. The Hermit. These cards, I can tell that it's going to take a little time for me to get used to because I am so used to using the Easy Tarot deck. That's what I started out with. The Hermit. The Wheel. This is the Wheel of Fortune. Getting things moving. Things going into your favor. You're winning. You got Justice. The Hanged Man. The Death. And then, negative ways and certain ways you feel about things. The Temperance. We got the Devil. The Tower. The Star card. The Moon. This is the Pisceans card. The girl going underneath all that water. The Sun card. I think it's Leo. Got Judgment. The World card. Completing cycles, ending cycles. The World card. Y'all, these are very, very pretty light images. We got the Ace of Wands, Two of Wands. I cannot wait to use these, you guys, in my video. Catch me tomorrow. I will be doing a video. We got the Three of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Six of Wands. Look how they got the light shining on her like it's recognition, you know. Realizing something. The light is being shined onto something. The Seven of Wands. The Eight of Wands. The Nine of Wands. The Ten of Wands. The Page of Wands. You guys stay tuned because I will be using these cards. These are my new deck. This is going to be my new deck, modern deck. I'm going to use these more often and get my energy on these cards. The Knight of Wands. That was the Page of Wands. This is the Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands. The King of Wands. We got the Ace of Cups. The Two of Cups. The Three of Cups. The Four of Cups, being bored with life. Don't know what to do, you just bored. Nothing's interested right now. The Five of Cups. The Six of Cups. I like how they got the dog for like past memories when he was a little boy and things like that. A lot of imagery, beautiful cards. The colors is beautiful. The Seven of Cups. Look at him. He's looking like I don't know what to choose. Too many options. The Eight of Cups. Walking away. The Nine of Cups. The Ten of Cups. The Page of Cups. I like how they got the Page of Cups because it's like he's floating in the air, dreamy, being dreamy, thinking about things, but also thinking about, you know, a love connection as well too. Wow, I like that. It seemed like every card have like these little white dots here. This is the Knight of Cups. He's coming in like, I want you to be my girl. See, look, little white dots, lights, beautiful. That must be a symbol or something though. This is the Queen of Cups. The King of Cups. You don't go a little faster just because of timing. The Ace of Swords. The Two of Swords. The Three of Swords. The Four of Swords. The Five of Swords. The Six of Swords. The Seven of Swords. the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Page of Swords, the Knight of Swords. Look at the little white dots again. The Queen of Swords, King of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. Give and take. Look how she giving that all. And it's beautiful, beautiful. The Seven of Pentacles. I love how they got, like, you cannot see what's being done here, but it's happening, you know. But you're still working on it and putting your power into it, your energy and time into it. The Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Little white dots. But it's in every one of those pictures. See, look, you see some here. You see some, I think around about here. In there, in the little pictures. I don't know, it's a symbol with these little white dots, I guess. Look, there's some here. I'm trying to figure out is I don't see any in the Nine of Pentacles. But you guys, that's it for this deck. This is a beautiful deck, you guys. Y'all gonna be seeing me use it on my channel, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. I do readings for water signs, Pisces, Cancers, and Scorpios, and I also do collective reading as well. So stay tuned for that. Let me fix this up. Yeah, so I also do collective readings as well. So you will, if you're not a water sign, you can watch my collective readings, and they're pretty good when it comes to shuffling. I see that. You just want to take your time when you're shuffling these. You don't want to pop them and stuff because the card is a little, you know, thin. All right. So, and we have the box here. This is the box for the card. Something inside. It says, "Enter the gray we follow, like 1,000 flickering stars. And there in the sunlight hollow, we lose and find what is ours. Dear light and shadow seers, may this deck help you find what is yours." That's nice. And I am so excited to use these. I'll put those right into the box. And this is the book. Let's just open up and see what we can read. We got the Eight of Wands. It's time to go. I fall into the flow of this quickening energy, and I swiftly face my desires head on. They got the Shadow Seer and the Light Seer. So Light Seer, speed, velocity, travel, make a split-second decision, and upcoming positive resolution, haste, good news coming. So yeah. If this come out in reverse, I feel like it will be instability, delays, unfocused energy, and lack of desire, burnt out, tendency to hesitate. So let's see. We got another one. The Nine of Swords. I see my fears as the illusion that they are. So the light seer will see on the, if it's in the upright, nightmares, worry, feelings, and depression or anxiety, insomnia, like can't sleep at night, and opportunity to find courage, a time to focus on safety and things that are going well. Okay. Also, it says for if it's in reverse, it'll be paranoia, deeply accurate fears, and able to think clearly in the turmoil, negative self-talk, affecting your self-esteem, and opportunity to actively begin the healing journey. So yeah, this is a great deck. I'm loving it right now. But you guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, okay? So you guys can get your monthly collective readings. If you're a water sign, that's a bonus for you because you can get the monthly collective reading, and you also can just get your sign personally reading. Because I do water sign readings at least once or twice a week. So yeah, your girl the goddess princess guiding you in the right direction. Go and get this deck. I'm not we call it advertising nothing, but you know, if you are a tarot reader or something, or you like do your own readings, this deck is pretty good. You know, I'm going to try it out a few times and probably do an update on it, but other than that, I'm loving it. Thank you. Bye.